Hi friends, I Dhanesh Dave welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Delhi Films, and in this video I am going to teach you how to cook kadhi pakoda at home. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel so that you can receive my all latest video and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So now let's begin the process of making kadhi pakoda at home. Let's begin now. So now today we will learn how to make kadhi pakoda at home. So to make kadhi pakoda, first of all you need to make pakoda. So for making pakoda, what are all the ingredients you need? You need gram flour, or you can call it besan. You need baking soda or meetha soda. You also need ajwain, and you need all these regular masala like salt, red chili powder, green chili powder, turmeric powder, and cumin and mustard. And also you need 1 glass water and 1 pot. So let's start the process. First take the besan by using a spoon into the pot. So once you take the besan, next you need to take baking powder or meetha soda, just a little bit of by using a spoon. Next take the turmeric powder or haldi. Next you need to take red chili powder or lal mirch, or next you need to take coriander powder or dhania powder, and then finally you need to add salt in it. So just mix all these ingredients by using a spoon, and finally we are going to add ajwain. Just a little bit of ajwain is more enough. Just mix the ajwain into it. That's all. The next, just mix all these ingredients by using your hand very slowly, and next mix the water in it. So just little bit of water, then crush it, mash it by using your hand, then add some more water and just slowly stir it very fast. So the mixture is ready. The consistency of this mixture is very thick. Make sure the consistency is very thick. So the final result is, you will see, I will show you the closer view. So this is the dough for making pakodi for kadhi. The next step is keep the wok or kadai onto the gas stove and add oil in it. Make sure the quantity of oil is enough so that you can fry your pakodas for your kadhi. So now next your oil is ready and it is extreme hot. Now next you need to take your besan masala just by using your hand and drop it how we are dropping. Just drop it a little bit of bowl size. Make the bowl size of this dough and just drop it slowly into the hot oil like how we are dropping. But make sure before you drop all these bowls into the hot oil, the oil should be on extreme hot temperature. So just drop one by one and just drop the adjacent to it. So once you will drop all the besan masala into hot oil, this will start frying. And how will you know that it has got completely fried? We will tell you. So now you can see your pakodas are ready for your kadhi. Now just using a frying spoon, just take out all the pakodas into a plate. Just keep the plate in one hand, and by using another hand just take out all the pakodas like how we are taking out from the hot oil. So these are very simple process. Let me show you a closer view of pakodas. So these are the pakodas which are just fried by using a hot oil. So that's all. Pakodas are ready now. Now next step is we are just going to make our kadhi. So now once we are ready with the pakoda, next we are going to make kadhi pakoda. So to make kadhi pakoda you need all these ingredients ready with you. So what are all these ingredients? This is called a chach, or you can get it from the milk shop. And you also need to keep ready all these veg like green chili, chopped tomato and curry patta leaf. So the next step is so first you need to take cumin and you need to put into the wok, and in the wok we have already added oil. The oil is hot. The next we are going to add another ingredient like green chili. Then next need to add curry patta, and once you add curry patta, just by using a frying spoon just give it a mix. Just after 1 to 2 minutes, it is time to add the remaining ingredient or remaining veg. So you will get this flavor. Now add the chopped tomato into it. Now just wait till the tomato get pulpy, and after that you need to add coriander powder or dhania powder. Next you need to add red chili powder or lal mirch powder. The next you need to add turmeric powder or haldi. So just add all this masala, and finally you need to add salt in it. Just add all this thing and again give it a mix. We are just frying this to make kadhi pakoda. So once you are fried, next step is what pakoda you have made it. You need to drop all the pakodas into the chach. Just drop one by one all the pakodas into chach, like how we have dropped. Now the next step is very crucial. Just take 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan into a deep pot and just pour water in it. Just pour water till half fill, and once you add water in it, by using a ladle, just mix it and mix it properly. Now the mix we are going to pour into the fried masala which we have fried already. Just add it little by little, and by using a ladle just give it a mix. Just pour all the mix which you have made by using a besan and water. So keep it in the hot wok for some time till it get a proper boil. In 5 minutes it will get a boil. So now the mix is getting boiled, and as it is getting boiling, it will get thicker. So as our mix has boiled, now it is time to mix the chach in which we have already added fried pakodas. So just add it slowly, slow by slow. Just add all the chach with pakoda into the wok. So there it is. So once you added all the chach and pakodas into it, just wait till it get a boil. So you can see all the mix in the wok has boiling now, and this is a good sign that your kadhi pakoda is getting ready. At this point of time you need to add hing into it or asafoetida. Now we are adding hing into it or asafoetida, you can call it. So just add the hing. The hing will give a nice smell to the kadhi pakoda. So this is the final check. Your kadhi pakoda has cooked now. So this is the time to switch off the gas, and this has cooked very nicely. It smells very fresh and very tasty smell. So this is a very quick and tasty recipe. You can cook it at your home. Now once your hot kadhi pakoda is ready, you can serve your kadhi pakoda along with rice. Now just take some rice into a bowl and add the kadhi pakoda into it. You can see which we have cooked kadhi pakoda. So just add some rice into it and just add kadhi pakoda. There it is. Please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this video.